learners, today we are going to learn art and craft activity for grade 5.
Today's activity 4 is shading technique. Lines are used to shade an object. Closer the lines, darker the value. Leaving more space between lines results in lighter value. For rounder objects, the lines may curve slightly around the form. First we are going to do with hatching technique. We'll start with lighter, medium and darker and the final object in this last round. Very close, draw some parallel lines. So I'll show you how to do hatching first. We just have to draw these lines straight like this. So here will be our lighter tone. Now I am going to do middle tone. Now in this I'll do dark tone. Can you see the difference in these three tones? Now all this we are going to combine in this final object. First light tone, now middle tone. Now I am going to add shadow. As you can see, my object is ready. Same way we are going to do these three. Now I will show you cross hatching, that is draw cross lines. Okay, first we'll do light like this. Please observe the reference picture carefully. So this is light. Now I am going with middle. Now I am going to do dark. Now same I am going to draw it completely. First light. am putting the shadow with the same hatching technique. Now the third is stippling. Okay, we have to apply countless small dots. Okay, and the density of the dots determines the value of the produced. Like here I am putting the lighter ones. Here I'll go with middle and here I'll go with dark. As you can see the difference between light, middle and dark. Now I'm doing the final one. See, in this also I have done the stippling technique, and the shadow also I am done with the stippling technique. In this way you have to complete your assignment nicely and properly.
I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.